Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. So this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to do this hairstyle that I have. I'm going out tonight and I will show you guys how easy and quick it is to do. So if you guys are ready, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna section off the hair that we have in the front, which is gonna be the bangs. So I already sectioned off my bangs. I have them here. And I'm just gonna twist them and bring them to the front. Later on, I'm gonna just adjust them. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the rest of the hair and you're gonna put it to the height that you want your bun or your ponytail to be. So I like to put it pretty high because I'm gonna have the curls go around it. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna be using the Eco Styles gel. I love this for if you're doing updos or if you're just doing a ponytail. This is really good to hold your hair, and it also has black seed castor. It also has black castor and flaxseed oil, so it's also healthy for your hair as well. So we're gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna use my mirror here as a reference so that I can make sure that I'm getting all the hairs in my ponytail. And you wanna put a good amount just because you want your hair to be high up. Well, not high up, but you want your hair to be secure. And you don't want any little flyaways. So I put it on the top and then I put it on the bottom. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a regular brush like this and I'm gonna brush my hair up, and then I'm gonna use a smoothing brush to brush all the little small hairs. So I had to switch out cameras, so I'm using my iPhone camera. So the quality might be a little different, but we're still gonna do it. So I'm gonna put my hair, like I said, in a ponytail. And I like to use these thick rubber bands. They're really good, especially if you have thick hair, and I have extremely thick hair, so it's really difficult for my hair to stay all up, but we are gonna do it today. I also like to use a paddle brush to get the little lumps that kind of come through the back. So we're gonna use the paddle brush for that. Same for the back. You wanna make sure you're getting all the hair. And then you're gonna bring your hair up. You're gonna use your pony and you're gonna tie that. I usually do it 3 times to be secure. So that's 3. And then I tighten it a little like that. It's a little curled because I just got my hair cut yesterday, but what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to curl it, and then I'm going to start hitting it. So I'm gonna use a straining iron to curl it because I feel like with my straining iron, it actually curls better. So I'm using the T3 straining iron. This is the T3 Micro. I believe it's 1 inch. And while that heats up, I'm just gonna smooth out and hairspray my hair. Just the top part for now, and the back. This is the Sebastian Shaper, so it's dry and it's brushable hairspray, so you can actually brush it out. It's not like stiffening, but it helps maintain the style. Okay, so now that that is heated, I'm gonna apply heat protectant first. So let me grab that. This is the Tresemme heat protectant, so I'm just gonna spray this throughout my hair. And I have extremely thick hair, and my hair is actually it's thick and it's also very straight, so it has a hard time holding a curl, but we're gonna make it work. So what I do is I just take it, I'm gonna curl inward, and then you just bring it down. Some people find it so hard to do their curls with curling irons, but I think it's like the easiest thing for me personally. If you learn how to do it, then it's definitely the easiest thing for you to do. And the curls last longer, as opposed to me doing it with a curling iron for some reason. My curls last a lot longer. So like I said, you're gonna take it, you turn it once, and then you bring it down. And there you go, you have a curl. So I'm gonna do this for my whole pony, and then we'll be back and I will start to pin. All my hair is curled. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take each curl, you're gonna roll it. And then once you roll it, you're gonna pin it. So I'm gonna do this around all of my hair. So this is pretty much how it looks from the front. I still want to fix this little piece here because I want to bring it in more. But this is the front of it. It was quick, easy. It took me maybe like 20 minutes to do. That's the front, and then this is the back. And then I'm going to curl my bangs, and I will be back to show you guys like my full outfit and everything together once I'm done. But like I said, it's easy. All you do is just roll the hair, pin it, and then you kind of just want to make sure that you're doing it evenly throughout the hair. So typically what I'll do is I'll roll here, then I roll here, then I roll here, then I roll around, and then the little hair that's in the middle, you kind of just stack where you need to add some volume to your hair. So that's it, and I will be back to show you guys the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching again. Bye.